So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to start your files from drive. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Drive app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your drive and you should have to open your files folder here. Now this is the files, and to start your file you should have to tap on three dot which is available on the right side of your screen. So tap on it. Then here you will see the option of add to start. So again tap on it. Now see, one item has been started successfully here like this, and you can see this star icon on the left side of your screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.